Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of Bootstrap series. The topic responsibly styled checkboxes. Since Bootstrap's call access asterisk classes are applicable to all form elements, we can use them on our checkboxes too. This way, the checkboxes will be evenly spread out across the page, regardless of how wide the screen resolution is. In this, nest all three of your checkboxes in div class row, then nest each of them in div class column XS4. In that case, we will need to first wrap it in div class 4 class equal to row, and here it will be closed. And now for each individual input we will use div class equal to call xs4, and we'll need to close it here. Tab and remove it, and div closed here. Again another div with column xs4, and one last division closed. We can see it, the checkboxes are evenly spread out. So let's run the test and download my solution. And thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.